Hi. Hi.
It's us again. Oh my god, look, it says 666 on the red thing over there.
Where?
Never mind, it changed to 19.
Fuck. Oh my god, they're gonna be in a modeling show, fashion show. Them too. So excited.
It's for the Aveda Institute, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
I'm gonna attend that school for September 2012.
Yeah. She told me I should get into it too.
You should.
You should.
We can go together. Oh my god.
It's gonna be at the Skirball Culture Center, and I said it really funny. In Sepulveda. So yeah, and there's gonna be a lot of people. A lot.
You guys want to go support us?
Yeah, go support us and show some love.
But fuck you. Never mind. Fuck. I take that back. Cut that off when we do that. Cut all this off.
I don't know. I used to think it was like. I used to think it was like.
Oh boy.
We're about to enter.
See by the window.
I'm still recording. The real life.
Okay, hold on because it's getting hot in here.
Oh yeah, her really awesome crazy paintings that I like so much.
First. No, wait. First.
Johnny Rockets! Isn't this so pretty, guys? Look at it. Look at it.
That's number one.
I think it could be sold. Oh, you should sell it at Venice. Okay,
Number
that's
two.
one. My favorite! Nirvana! And obviously this isn't an album, right?
No, it's not.
Hey!
Kimberly, you're ruining the light. It's not a real album. It's a song, Polly, and we had to like come up with our own idea. So then I like
It
that
smells like
song.
chocolate.
I like that song a lot. Oh, it does.
And then one of my second favorites.
Jim Morrison.
Isn't it so pretty, guys? Oh, you know my best friend also, his name is Adam. Well, I believe him. He made this really cool drawing. It's in his room, and it's so nice, dude. Like,
Really?
I'm impressed. My thinking is a little cleaning. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Was that a picture?
I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State.
Oh shit, I'm recording.
Let's go. I know you're trying to forget.
And you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young.
So, how old are you, Miss Miranda?
I can't reveal that. I really can't. It's a secret.
Her voice is like so sweet. Meet my boyfriend. His name is Domo. And he loves me so much.
No cars, fat free shakes, meals in the mail.
So we're going to do
Your face. Oh.